Hello, children. Welcome to Kids Torah Time. And today, Parsha TETZAVE. In this Parsha, Hashem is teaching Moshe Rabbeinu how to prepare the garments for the Kohanim. Hashem is teaching Moshe Rabbeinu with so many details. Are the clothing really so important?
Sabbaba, guess what is this outfit?
Wow, it's a bridal outfit.
You got it.
How do you feel in the outfit?
I feel pure and happy that I found you.
Guess what's my outfit?
Oh, you are my handsome chosn groom. Sabbaba, how do you feel in your outfit?
I feel in heaven that you are going to be my wife and you will be the greatest mother and the greatest Shashi. Shashi, guess what my outfit is for?
Exercise. How do you feel in your outfit, Sabbaba?
I feel energized. I want to walk to lose the bulk.
And what do you think is my outfit for?
Exercise.
Yes, and I feel very energized. I want to move in order to improve.
Wow!
Yay! Sabbaba, what do you think this outfit is for?
It looks like you're going to ride a motorcycle.
Yay!
What do you think about this outfit?
I think this outfit, it's for my best motorcycle driver.
Yes.
Sabbaba, how do you feel in the white cantorial gown?
I feel closer to Hashem. I feel pure, clean, and humble. Kol nidrei v'sarei v'charamei v'kinuyei v'kinusei.
Sabbaba, in our Parsha, Hashem shows how much He cares about the priest's clothing. Do you think He cares about what I wear and you wear?
I think He does. And what do you think?
I think so too, because Hashem made to Adam and Chava, He made the first garments, leather garments, He made them. Even though Adam and Chava made themselves some clothing from leaves. And also, He writes in the Torah about the tzitzit, how important it is for men and boys to wear tzitzit. And this is one of the reasons that we left Egypt, that we didn't change our garments. And also every morning in the brachot, what do we say? What do we say?
Malbish harumim.
Dressing the naked. So kids, you are asking what's the mystery of clothes? Well, they were made to cover us, so we will not be like animals. Yet, they really tell a lot of who we are inside in our soul. For example, some girls love to dress in sports outfits, others in pretty dresses. It shows the different characters. So clothes cover the outside of us and reveals, shows our godly soul, our inside. In this Parsha, Parsha TETZAVE, Hashem teaches us also the magic of clothes. Can you imagine that the clothing of the Kohen Gadol, the high priest, made him holy? The clothing. They make us act and feel differently, and they always make people around us behave differently as well. For example, if a king walks in the street, will you behave the same as if a clown would walk in the street? Hashem, our Father, that loves us always, knows the power of clothes. Hashem is also our King. That's why He expects us to wear clothing in our own style, but in a dignified way, like a member of a royal family. No, after hearing so much about clothing, do you think Hashem cares what we wear? Children, what do you think?
Of course I care, because it has to do with me, with the godly soul that's in you.
Shabbat Shalom. Love you. Mwah.